Hello, my name is Olumide Victor. I'm a network marketer and also a digital marketer. I'm an independent business owner in Pure. Pure is the company I work for. So, um, I would like to teach you my recruitment strategy, how I recruit, how I get to recruit 10 people per day to my business, 10 active downlines. I know a lot of you must have been doing it the wrong way. I personally have done it the wrong way before. Usually, I used to approach friends, family to introduce them to business, but all I get is rejections every time. So, today I will be teaching you my own strategy, the strategy I came up with by myself, and it has been really working for me. And I felt I should share it with people that I need, especially people that are already in the network marketing community before, that have been working for one company or the other. So, um, why why will you choose network marketing in the first place? Network marketing is a business model in which distributor in which a distributor network is needed to build the business. It is a very good it's a very good platform. Um, don't let me call it platform. It's a very good business that will grant you financial freedom. Network marketing is a business model in which distributors, it's a business model. It's not just a company, it's a business model in which distributors are needed to build this business, which means the more the distributors, the more the sustainability of the business. In this business, in network marketing, there is no employee. Everybody in network marketing are business owners. There is low overhead and low startup. The low startup, okay, let's make cite an example. Like, okay, let's say you want to start a business. Physically, you want to you want to get a shop and you want to start selling. Okay, let's say maybe you want to start selling building materials. First of all, you need a startup capital to um to get a shop, to buy your first set of goods, and after that you need a lot of money to start it. That's just the bottom line. Even to become an entrepreneur, maybe you want to own your own company, you want to own your own business, you need a high startup capital. You need money. You see a lot of students applying for grants, a lot of people that want to be financially free and want to own their own business. They are applying for grants of 20 million, 10 million, 30 million, as much money as they can get, just to get a startup capital to start their business. But this network marketing is a business, that makes you an entrepreneur with a very low startup capital. You tend to start business marketing with a very low startup capital, that and after that, after investing your low startup capital into the business, all you have to do is just do your personal job, and your business will flourish. Now, the third point is no special degree. You don't need any degree to start network marketing. You don't need any degree. All you need is just your commitment. All you need is your commitment, and you can learn new skills. You can learn new skills to run your network marketing business, just like I'll be teaching you my own strategy. This is a new skill that you have to learn. You have to be flexible. You don't need any special degree. You just have to be flexible, and learn new things every day from people that are already successful in the business. And one good thing about it that I love is unlimited income. You can write your check. You write your check, you determine the amount of money you want to gain from this business. If you like, you can say you want to be earning 10,000 per week. That's fine. You can decide that you want to be earning 100,000 per week. That's fine. It's just up to you. It's whatever you want to achieve whatever you want to, or whatever income you want to gain from the business. That is what you work towards in network marketing. And another advantage is tax advantage. Tax advantage is the fact that the company already paid your tax. All the money that's coming to your account, there's no tax deduction in it. It's just your personal income that you have worked for in the company. It's not like you see your income from your back office, then they will now tell you that they've removed so amount for tax. No, the company has already paid your tax. And time freedom. Who does not want time freedom? Everybody wants to spend time with their family, to spend time with their loved ones, with their spouse. So network marketing gives you time freedom. You will be making the money, even when you are sleeping you are making money. The money is coming to your account every blessed week. The bad thing about salary is you tend to get one credit alert in the month, and you get multiple debit alerts. That is a very bad thing in this present world that we are. You need multiple streams of income, and in network marketing you don't really need to do a lot of things. You just need to do what you know how to do best in network marketing. Just be flexible, learn new skills, and you gain more money every time, every week. Like in my company pays every week. There are some companies that pays monthly, there are some companies that pays twice in a month, but my company pays weekly. So the big question is why people fail in network marketing. The main reason why people fail in network marketing is because a lot of people are doing it the wrong way, or let me just call it the old way. Because the first set of people in network marketing, the strategies that they implemented when they started is no longer working. Because you have to pave out your own way in network marketing. You don't have to really depend on your upline. All you have to do with your upline is just learn from your upline, then carve out your own way of success in network marketing. That is just the basic reason why people fail, because they do it the old way. They tend to copy people that have been successful. Fine, it is good to learn from people that are successful, but you also have to be creative on your own side. So, why few people succeed in network marketing? That is the second question. Why few people succeed in network marketing is because it's only few people that take the time and the commitment to bring out, to be creative and do new things to forward their business career. Because it takes commitment, it takes time, it takes energy, it takes a lot of things to create a new strategy, to create a new way to make the business easier. This is not just this is not a salary. This is not a salary any job that you just go to work, you know what you want to do every day. This one is, though you know what you want to do here, you know that the basic thing is just to sell the company's product, and recruit more people. But there are different approaches to it. There are different ways you can do this business. So you need to bring out your own strategy by yourself and use it to boost your business and boost your success in the business. Now, my own digital strategy. My digital strategy, the digital strategy that I have put in place is to ensure our success. And this strategy does not fail people. It has been proven already. Yeah, people are already getting. I myself have gotten the results, the massive results from it, and the people that have recruited already have already duplicated, and they are already getting massive results. Those that apply this strategy succeed without stress. You just have to commit like a month or 2 months to this strategy, and after that you just relax and start making money unlimitedly. Now you have to follow my steps, watch the videos, you watch these videos and do what I share with you. Now this training is going to be a video training. It's going to be totally a video training because I recruit people online. I teach them through my video tutorials. So I don't need there's no need for me to see you before I can teach you. I can just do my video tutorial and send them to you, and you watch them, and you within a week you must have been able to put things in place, and you just do your serious job, give your time. At least you must be able to give 1 hour per day. Minimum. You can give maximum of any time frame. Like me, I spend 2 3 4 hours on my business sometimes a day. So you have to spend more time on your business, especially during this period of lockdown. Now I've had enough time to spend on my business. So I'm only working on the only thing that is keeping me busy is just this recruitment strategy that I'm trying to share to people outside. So you need at least 1 hour of your time every day. So if you take your time to watch this video and do what I have explained, I think that this is a mistake on my side. What I have explained, within 1 week you must have been through and set up your own system through my guide. That's just it. Within 1 week you must have been through. Then you start smiling. You just set up your system through my guide, and you wait and make it work within 1 to 2 months, and you start smiling after. So the outline of this training, you get a domain and hosting using SmartWeb for your website. It costs $12. I will teach you how to set up the website, install WordPress, InstaBuilder, and some plugins that will be needed. I'll teach you how to design landing page and sales page. I'm going to teach you how to create an opt-in form. I'll teach you how to download WhatsApp on your laptop. I'll write your hard copy for you. I'll even send you my own hard copy, but you need to learn how to create hard copy, which I will be teaching you. I'll teach you how to create a Facebook page, Facebook Business Manager, and a Facebook ad account. Because we'll be running adverts online, and you need this Facebook Business Manager and Facebook ad account. You need Facebook page. I will teach you how to create Facebook pixel. I'll teach you how to run Facebook adverts. I will teach you how to create a Google ad account. We run adverts on both Google and Facebook. So I'll teach you how to run Google adverts. I'll teach you how to close and sign up to 10 downlines per day, up to 10 people per day. I'll teach you I'll teach your downlines to do. I will teach you how to teach your downlines to do the same. And what I will teach you what 50 active downlines can do for you. Just imagine it, 50 active downlines. If you have 50 active downlines in my company, I know what it can do for you. But I will be giving you all this training courses, all this training outline. I will be doing everything for free. But the only commitment I need you to do is to join my team. Once you join my team, you get all this for free. Everything will be for free. I will take my time to teach you everything, and you will be successful within. You start seeing results. You start seeing massive results that you will be surprised. You won't understand the way the money is coming in. I will teach you that you'll be able to gain massive results in weeks. Just give it 3 to 5 weeks. You start getting your massive results. Some people have been struggling in network marketing for years, and they are still striving. But you are coming in new, or maybe you have been in a company before, and maybe you have been struggling in that company. I will teach you how to do it, and you start getting massive results in weeks. All you have to do is just to join my team. Now, why choose the Pure company, which is the company I work for? Why choose the company? There are 4 major values you get from my company if you choose my company. In this company, you trade your money for value. So the product value is the first thing. The product has it has a very good value. Like this product has gained a good reputation, especially in African countries, in Nigeria most especially. The company, the products are just too good. The products are really working. They are health products. The products are health products, and they are working for people. We sell these products daily. That's one. The second one is position value. This company uses a binary method of recruitment. So once you gain your position in the business on time, anybody that's coming in after you will be one way or the other placed under you. So if you check some people's back office, some people that are even in the that already have an account in the business, they have joined but they've never started anything. They have a lot of points that are waiting for them. It's just like the money is waiting for you to come and pick it up. That's just it. The money will be waiting for you in your account just to come and do a little work and pick the money up. That's the advantage of the position value. Then there is a business ID value, which the business ID is just a unique ID that the company gives you. This unique ID is what you will use. Is what you use to earn these points, the points that come into your back office. The company pays you for the points the point volume that you accumulate, and there is no point that is lost. This company does not remove your points, or maybe because there are some company, they will give you a goal to reach. Once you don't hit that goal in a time frame, they tend to remove the points that you have accumulated before. They remove maybe the ones that are maybe they give you like 2 weeks, maybe they give you 2 weeks to reach your goal, and they tell you that the only time frame that you can use to reach that goal is 2 weeks. And once you don't meet it up in 2 weeks, the points that you have accumulated in the first week, they will remove it. But in this company, instead of removing it, they pay you with those points. Those points that you have accumulated will not waste. They will pay you with those points. And we have a mentorship value. Like if you join my team now, I'm going to invite you to our Zoom meeting, because our company holds Zoom meetings every blessed day. In fact, these days they hold at least 2 meetings every day. They hold one in the afternoon and one in the evening. These meetings are to mentor us, to train us on the product value, to train us on the business itself. And we have individual communities, we have teams, we have our team. Like me now, if you join my team, I'll be the one to mentor you personally. Although we get a general mentorship from our senior colleagues in the business that teach us about the business. So, but if you join my team, I'll be the one to mentor you personally. I'll be the one to teach you the business, how to go about the business personally. Then this is the product certification. The product have been certified by the organizations that you are seeing on my screen: the Physician Desk Reference, the Nigerian Medical Association, the USDA, the National Agency for Food and Drug, that's NAFDAC, the GMP, the Pharmaceutical Society of Nigeria, the FDA, Food and Drug Agency. All of them have approved this product. In fact, I was so when I joined the company, the thing that attracted me the more was the fact that the company was recognized by these two organizations, the Pharmaceutical Society of Nigeria and the Nigerian Medical Association. In this page, when you scroll down, you will see the goodwill messages that was sent from both the president of the Nigerian Medical Association and the president of the Pharmaceutical Society of Nigeria. This is to tell you that the company's products are superb. They are really working. For the doctors to recommend it, doctors are now recommending this product. They're recommending it to their patients, which means these products are awesome. They are awesome. They are really working. So you need to learn about this product and see the good works of this product. This is why these are the advantages of this company. This is the quality of the product of the company. Now, how do you get started? You need the following and items. If you don't have these items, it means you are not ready for business, because I don't see any sign of seriousness if you don't have the listed items. You need a laptop, you need a phone, a good phone, you need an email, you need a Facebook account, you need internet connection. Some people will be complaining about internet connection. If you want to do business online, you need internet connection. You need an ATM Mastercard that you use for payments online, and you need a startup capital of 60,000. Now think about this. A lot of people might be saying that 60,000 is much, but what if you are to start a shop, or if you are to start a business of your own? How much do you think you will use to start? You spend nothing less than 200k. That's just the minimum requirement to start any business. Is it a boutique? What kind of business will you start that with 200k self that will give you a good income in 2 months, in 3 months? And now you are starting with just 60,000. If you register, the registration is of course is for free, but to activate your account you need this 60,000. This 60,000 will not be paid to me, it will be paid to the company's account. So when you pay this money to the company's account, the company will give you product that I will teach you a way you use to make your money back from the product, because you'll be selling it to people. When I paid mine, I collected this product and I sold it out to people. To gain my money back. So this is the beauty of the strategy I'm going to teach you. This is the beauty of the internet. The internet has made things easy. So you'll be doing 100% of this job online. We are not doing anything offline. We are doing most of this job online. So now go, if you have this for the listed items. Now you can go onto the bottom of this page and fill the form, and let's get you started. Now, by watching all the videos and start working on it immediately within 1 week, you must have finished working on it, and in the next 1 month you should have signed up to 50 downlines. Yes, because this strategy I'm going to teach you is proven to help you recruit at least 10 people per day. There are some days that you will recruit more than 10. Yes, that is very possible. So in the next 1 month, 50 downlines is just for you to recruit 10 people in a day for 5 days. That's 50 downlines. That's just your goal for the next 1 month, and this is very, very achievable. You can even recruit 100 in a month. Yes, it's very possible. As a businessman, as a network marketer, as an entrepreneur, you see the possibilities in things. You don't see the negativity in it. You work with faith, and things happen in your favor. That is just the secret behind network marketing. So you send them. In the next 1 month, you must have signed up 50 downlines, and you send them these slides and video, and monitor them to do the same thing by doing this. In the next 6 months, you see the difference. You will see massive difference. In my company, I can guarantee you that in the next 6 months you will be making nothing less than 300,000 per week. Yes, per week. That is just the beauty of my company. If you can put this in place, you will make nothing less than 300,000 naira in a week. That is the beauty of the Pure company. The compensation plan is superb. I have not seen any compensation plan that has beat this company. Currently in Nigeria, this is the best network marketing company that you can join. You need to join this company and see the beauty of it. So we are united in Pure. We are people united, reaching everyone. That is the full meaning of Pure, the acronym, and we are the Pure family. So that will be all for me. Thank you, and see you on the other side.